Filing GST return using the xorkeesign browser extension. With the xorkeesign browser extension, you can file your GST returns in the portal and the signature request will be sent to your xorkee app. You can sign it using your Android mobile or Windows or Mac PC. xorkeesign browser extension is available for Chrome, Edge and Firefox browsers. It can be added to your browser from the Home or Downloads page of Odyssey's website or directly from the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add Extension in the Home or Downloads page. You will be directed to the Chrome Web Store. Click on Add to Chrome. It is a one-time activity. Log in to the GST portal and proceed with the prescribed steps until you reach the declaration page. Select the checkbox to accept the declaration. Select your name from the drop-down list and connect your DSE token to the PC. Click on File with DSE. A warning prompt appears. Click Proceed to continue. You will receive a signing request in your xorkee app. If you have not registered your DSE in xorkee, you will see an error message asking you to register. The xorkee registration is simple and takes less than a minute. It can be done from Windows or Mac PC or an Android phone. It is a one-time registration. To sign, tap Approve on the xorkee notification and provide token password. You have just filed your GST return using the xorkeesign browser extension. You did not have to download emSigner or Java. You also did not have to perform complicated steps like opening a new tab and configuring a new port every time you wanted to file a return. With xorkeesign browser extension, your assistant can file your return in the GST portal and the signature request will be sent to your xorkee app. You can sign from wherever you are, even using your Android phone. With the xorkeesign browser extension, you can also e-verify your tax returns and associate your DSE in the MCA portal. It is a one-stop solution for all your digital signature needs on all Government of India portals.